Hi guys, what should you do for soil fertility? Today we are talking about biochar as a simple solution to improve soil quality in all environments. What is biochar and what are its benefits? What is its story?
How is it made?
How can use for plants? Researchers that focus on biochar answer to this question. If you want to know more about this golden carbon, come with me please.
Welcome to Green Plant Guide.
What is biochar and what are its benefits? Biochar is a high carbon form of charcoal, has more use in agriculture than charcoal.
Researcher says this will change the world.
Where there are problems, biochar
Can be part of the solution.
Biochar is a very porous and acts like a sponge, which may help it retain nutrients in agricultural systems. So biochar improves plant growth with increased soil quality.
It means all the essentials that plant roots need are available.
Also, biochar can retain water, so increase the soil water holding. As a result, it's a key substance for drought conditions. Biochar serves as a habitat for many beneficial microorganisms that are known to promote soil and plant health, so biochar improves the farming productivity. Biochar reduces greenhouse gas and the effect of climate change. Because it's so high in carbon, it's preventing carbon dioxide from being released into the atmosphere.
What is its history?
One of the reasons that scientists started studying was the soil that are found throughout Brazil and other parts of South America, where you find a really rich dark soil, where people had been adding charcoal to soil for over hundreds of years for agricultural management. In biochar system, there were green tall corn plants, whereas the system without biochar didn't.
So people started to pay attention to these soils and think, how can we adapt this for modern cropping systems?
How is it made? There are large-scale industrial systems which make biochar. It's created from the thermochemical conversion of biomass in oxygen-limited environment. There are also portable systems that are gather agricultural waste and converted to biochar. Depending on the different production variable, you also get really different biochar. You see a wide range of color and texture, also have really different chemical and physical properties as well. How can you use biochar for plants? Biochar can be used as a part of growing medium. The use of biochar may present some limitations, such as the lack of nutrients. So biochar enrichment techniques have made it possible to obtain biochar-based fertilizer, followed by the biochar plus compost mixture. Biochar addition to fertilizer increases plant growth compared to mineral fertilizer alone. Help us promote biochar internationally with share the video. Thank you.